So we're in Canada, people. The airport is pretty much empty. See outside. Outside's empty. All the planes are all grounded. I don't know if y'all can see those planes outside. They're all grounded. I didn't even want to come back so soon. But I didn't take this flight. And who knows when I could get on a flight to come back to Canada. So, like I'm just gonna have to reschedule this trip.